What is going on, guys, and welcome to Beamer League. This is the second time me doing a review of this awesome little car for your kids. I bought this car exactly a year ago for Christmas for my daughter, and she absolutely loves this little car. It's her favorite toy. So this car, I'll show you how it drives and everything, but it's got the lights. You can drive.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Sorry about that. See, it talks to you, it wants you to buckle up, be safe and everything, but the car is pretty awesome. Yeah, so it drives itself and you can remote control it. So, which is pretty amazing. The remote control part, I'll show you in a second. But you can find this car on Amazon these days extremely cheap, especially right now with the holidays. They got crazy Black Friday deals. I'll put the link in the description. Please do use my link. I earn a little bit of commission, but the deal on this car on Amazon is unbelievable right now. Go check it out, link in the description, but also stick around. I'll show you how it drives around. All right, so here's my little remote control. Let's get these doors all locked. They have a little latching mechanism here. And then here we go. It's got a couple of different speeds. Right now it was the slowest one, but it's got 3 speeds. The turn radius is not that great, true to actual M4. My M4 had a terrible turn radius, and this thing is not extremely fast or anything like that. So it's for kids on a smaller side of things, just maybe 1 to 5 years old, something like that. But yeah, it's definitely worth its money. It's my daughter's favorite little toy. She doesn't even care about bicycles or anything like that. She just wants to drive this car, and my daughter is almost 3 years old now, and she just now started to kind of taking over driving this thing herself. There's a little pedal, and of course she steers herself. I, as a precaution, run around with the remote and help her out so she doesn't hit my neighbor's cars or anything like that. Thank you guys for tuning in for this video. Again, the link to this car in Amazon will be in the description of this video. Please do use my link, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.